this is going to give me awesomeness. How often do you see this? Not very often. This is unity, meaning everything can live in harmony with each other. Then you got Zoe watching. Yeah, lick those chops or chubs.
Hey, come here, babe.
She's just going to town.
Here.
Oh. Chubs, you don't have to do it yourself no more. You can save so much time. Again, a bird grooming a cat, and a cat grooming a bird, or a bird grooming a cat.
Hey, you don't need to chase or have. You're fine, babe.
So, I don't know, YouTube. Crazy things do happen in this world, like Mothman, Bigfoot, Loch Ness Monster, you'll never know.